I'm Christian Joey Obligar, and I'm 20 years old, turning 21. Uh, I'm currently studying at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in mathematics. And yeah, I started reading manga when I was in high school. My friends influenced me in reading manga, but it is all started in it is all starts by watching anime. So my favorite manga is more on ano kasi recent lang yung Haikyuu, tapos Seven Deadly Sin, tapos ano pa ba? Ay, Attack on Titan. Yan yung mga usually talaga na binabasa ko. I prefer to read manga, especially kapag action siya, tas fantasy. Tas may touch of magic ganun. Kasi parang I'm entering into a new dimension. Tas parang nagiging part ako nung manga na yun. My imagination on how am I going to imagine yung mga actions, yung mga battles nila kasi it's unlike watching animes. You will see how they fight, how they perform their magics, but in reading manga, ang hirap na parang kung paano mo may imagine kasi alam mo yon, tas syempre it's more on imaginative talaga kung paano mo may imagine yun, pero it makes me more into it. During my free time, I usually read manga, but nung meron pa tayong pasok ganyan, kapag papasok ako ng school, tapos when I'm on the jeep, ganyan, yun yung usually talaga nagbabasa ako. But most of the time, pang pastime ko talaga yung magbasa ng manga. Sometimes it took me 2 hours reading manga, but kasi usually kasi kapag nagbabasa ako ng manga, kapag talagang sobrang ganda na talaga ng mga nangyayari, mga susunod na mangyayari. So talagang pinagbibigyan ko pa siya ng taon, mga 2 to 3 hours, ganun. Sometimes it hinders me to study, especially if the story is getting exciting, ganun. Parang sabi ko pag sobrang nakaka-excite na yung mga susunod na scenarios o mga situation o yung mga susunod na episodes sa pagbabasa ko ng manga, mas lalo kong, alam mo yun, mas nagki-crave ako to read more. And minsan nakakalimutan ko na mag-aral. But I don't forget naman mag-aral pa rin kahit papaano. It gives me relaxation. Parang I'm entering to a new, sabi ko kanina, I'm entering into a new dimension where I experience also those scenarios or those situation na nababasa ko dun sa manga na yun. So, ako kasi, I'm not into reading. Hindi talaga. Pero nagbasa ako ng manga, tapos with images, yung may mga drawings, tapos yung mga bagay na yun, sabi ko, okay, mas nakakatulong din siya na kahit papaano sa akin kasi mas nagiging, nakapagbasa ako, mas na bibigyan ko yung time, yung sarili ko na mas ma-appreciate pa yung pagbabasa through that manga. And ayun, siguro yung advice ko na lang when they really want to read manga, siguro magbigay talaga sila ng allotted time dun sa pagbabasa kasi kapag putol-putol sila magbabasa, mas hindi nila ma-appreciate yung manga na yon, yung anime na yon. Tapos siguro recommend ko na rin na mas maging imaginative pa sila talaga kasi mas ma-appreciate pa nila yon